Hello and welcome to my video about how to track schedule variance. I already did some other videos that explain from the beginning how to create the project. So in this case we are going to focus on the variance, but I will put in the comments the links to my previous video on how to start the project from zero. Okay? So in this video we are going to see 5 methods to track the schedule variance. We are going to see the dashboard project reports, the tracking Gantt, detailed Gantt, variance table, and using filters. And remember, to be able to track the variance, first we need to set a baseline and we need to set a status report date. That is the day that we will run the report. So we start from a blank project and first we give the project a name. So the name of this project is going to be Inventory of Services. Okay. So we go to Format and then Project Summary Task. Let's take out the timeline. And I'm just going to make this bigger so you can see finish and start date. So our project start date is going to be the 16th of October 2017. Okay, so we have that on Monday we will do the inventory of service on the IT department. On Tuesday we will do the call center. On Wednesday we will do operations. On Thursday we will do training. And on Friday we will do dispatch. Okay, and we have our first milestone, that is inventory of services completed. Okay, so we give 1 day duration for the task to make it simple, and of course for the milestone 0 days. Then select the task and put in auto schedule mode and then link the task. So with this we have our schedule and now we have to set the baseline. Okay, so let's say that we will start with our reports. So we will start our report on Tuesday, 1 day before after the start of the project. So come here into task and then go in mark on track here and update task. Okay, so let's say that on Monday we didn't finish 100%. Let's say that we did 50% of what we planned to do before. So as you can see here, the progress bar is showing only 50%. And let's see the report. Click in report, dashboards, project overview. Okay, so here the report is saying we have a late task. IT department is late because we just finished 50%. And suppose we have to have 100%. Okay, now let's go to the second method. We go back here in Gantt chart and then click in the arrow and select tracking Gantt. Okay, here with tracking Gantt we can see these gray bars are the baseline bars. The baseline is how we were planning to do, and in this case these red bars are the actual values of the duration. Okay, let's put some other values to keep tracking. So we have to go back here let's suppose that today is Wednesday. So Wednesday 18. Okay. So we will say that yesterday we completed the call center. So finish on Tuesday. We completed the IT department 100%. Okay. Okay, now you can see here it's showing that we took 1 day more. And let's say that we also did call center. Let's say that we did 25% of the call center. That was on Wednesday. Wednesday we did 25%. Okay. Now let's see the report. Report, dashboard, project overview. Okay, you can see here it's showing now we did 100% of IT and 25% of call center. Now click in view and then Gantt chart. We will go to the next method, click in this arrow below Gantt chart and then more views and look for detailed Gantt. Detailed Gantt and click apply. So detailed Gantt is going to show us with more detail for how many days we are behind. You see? It's showing here 1 day. And the next method that we have is with the variance table. Basically here in the same view tab, tables, click in variance. The variance table is very useful because it's going to show you the actual values. The actual values are these ones, start, finish, and the baseline values. So baseline start, baseline finish. And here is showing you how many variance days you have. So we have 1 day variance. So as you can see here, for example, IT, it's supposed that we had to finish on Monday, right? Baseline finish Monday, but actually we finish on Tuesday. And for call center, for example, the baseline value was finished on Tuesday, but we are finishing on Wednesday. Okay. Now let's see the last method. So then we go back to the entry table and we will work with the filters. So here in filter you can, for example, see the incomplete task. These tasks are not completed, right? And let's see the sleeping task. So click here in more filters and then sleeping task. So sleeping tasks are the tasks that have actual start date after the baseline date. Let's say that is late for the baseline date. So here, or the filter is already applied. The only task that is not showing is IT, but all the other tasks are late from the baseline values. So this is basically how you can track the schedule variance with 5 methods. I hope you like the video, and in the next video we will see how to track the cost schedule variance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.